to immersing your endoscope in any fluid. Visually, inspect the water-resistant cap for damage. If it is damaged or wet, use another cap. Attach the water-resistant cap to the endoscope. Remember, never connect or disconnect the water-resistant cap while the cap or the endoscope is immersed. Doing so will damage the endoscope. Attach the leakage tester to the MU1 maintenance unit or to an Olympus light source. Turn on the air supply. If you are using a light source, be sure to set the airflow rate to its maximum setting. Depress the pin inside the connector and confirm that air comes out of the cap. Now, attach the leakage tester to the endoscope. Note that as you pressurize the inside of the endoscope, the rubber sheath on the distal tip of the endoscope will expand. Now, immerse the endoscope in clean water. Do not leak test in detergent, as detergent will hinder visualization of leaks. With the angulation locks in the free position, angulate the endoscope tip in all directions. Deflecting the tip will help expose any pinholes that may exist in the bending section rubber. Initially, you may see a few bubbles clinging to the insertion tube or coming out of a channel opening. These do not indicate a leak. Wipe away any bubbles clinging to the instrument. Also, manipulate the scope buttons to check for leaks. If you see no source of continuous bubbles emanating from the endoscope is air and fluid tight. In contrast, if you do observe a continuous stream of bubbles, the endoscope is leaking. Leaks like this will allow fluids to penetrate and damage the endoscope. If you observe such a leak, do not turn the air supply off. Rather, remove the endoscope from the water, blow out the channels with air, and dry the endoscope prior to turning off the leakage tester. Contact Olympus for instructions on how to reprocess a leaking endoscope prior to sending the endoscope to Olympus for repair. If no leaks are observed, remove the endoscope from the water. Disconnect the leakage tester from the air supply and wait for the bending section rubber to return to its normal size. Detach the leakage tester from the water-resistant cap. Leakage testing is now complete.